The day has finally come for the review of the Jordan 4 military blues. Yes, bruh. I've showed y'all the double up. I've showed y'all when should you buy this. There's been a lot of videos surrounding this pair. In this video, we're gonna go over resale predictions, what I feel like is the best way to approach this sneaker. I'm gonna speed through all that and give you my final verdict because I feel like I've been talking about this shoe a lot. Don't really want to beat a dead horse. I just want to show y'all what these look like on feet, give you my final rating of this shoe at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Right now it's about the military blue Jordan 4s, and it's officially time to get to it. They've been calling these the industrial blues. As y'all can see, I didn't call these that once. Not even Nike is really calling them that, because if you see on the label, it says off-white military blue. To give y'all even a little bit more proof, I got another pair from the sneakers app. I got exclusive access, so I ended up getting a double up. This is the early pair. This is the double up off-white military blue. So they need to relax talking about industrial blues. Apparently there's rumors going around that they didn't want to attach the whole military to the sneaker, but bro, that's just the name of the shoe. Relax. Who is being sensitive about that now? Like, people just really need to relax. Dead ass. These are still the military blues. Brought it back with the OG everything. You see that Nike on the back. I'm loving it. One of my favorite shoes Jordan brand has created all time, low key. I really do love this colorway. Glad they're bringing it back with the OG everything. People are gonna complain regardless whether they went with the OG cut, whether they didn't, whether they showed us the colors from the OG version or they didn't. People were gonna complain regardless. That's what people do, bruh. But these are fire. Proof is in the pudding. I got two pairs. Y'all never seen that on this channel. Also, if you do end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Get this to over 150 likes and I'll keep bringing early sneaker content to the channel. More heat like military blues, SBs. Always looking to buy another early sneaker. I'm debating on picking up Space Jams as we speak. I think I'm gonna pull the trigger. Crazy part is I love the way the early pair looks, the shape on it, no blemishes. It's just perfect. I'm not really too picky when it comes to sneakers, but the Widow's Peaks gotta go. If you got a pair of these, you know that the Widow's Peaks are crazy. I low-key trimmed mine and I think it looks way better. This is definitely one of the last videos for the Jordan 4 military blues 2024 edition. As y'all could see, that blue is definitely darker. Nike Air on the back, never seen before on a retro. Clean pair, bro. I'm not complaining. Let me know if you are in the comments. Are you beefing with the color? Are you beefing with the color that's up here as well? I know a lot of people are. It says off-white on the box. We've already spoken about this, but it's almost like an off gray color. I personally don't mind it. A lot of y'all out there do apparently. Once again, let me know in the comments. It's one of those things where people are just not gonna like something, then when it releases they're gonna go for it. Nike Air on the back, super clean, bro. Fire. Let me know if you guys are feeling how these are looking on feet. Is it a cop? Is it a drop for you? Final verdict. At this point, there's been 3 different releases for these already from Nike side of things. The exclusive access, which is how I got a pair. The way you were able to get that is basically if you missed more than a certain amount of Jordan 4s between a certain amount of time, you're eligible to get this right here, but it's not certain that you get them. That's the reason why when I saw that, I'm like, yo, the double up right here is the alley-oop. Might as well at least take it, you feel me? That's why I ended up with 2 pairs. There was that one, there was the shock drop, which I took the L on. Today or yesterday, there was the reserve where I could go to New York and pick up a pair type shit. I'm not doing all that. I already got 2 pairs. I'm gooch. Right here being military blues. Let's go ahead and break these down around the toe and ankle of the sneaker. There's a gray color. Then you have these 2 blue pods. One of them has Nike branding in the white and the other one is just blue. There's also white going throughout this middle portion. Going onto the midsole of the shoe, you can see that white follows up. Gray continues on the front and the back of the sneaker. There's also this white color that wraps around the midsole all the way throughout. Then you got the military blue, which is so controversial to so many people, right here on the midsole. That dark blue, people are calling it navy blue. It's damn near criminal in these streets. Mind you, a lot of these people are going to be the same ones trying to pick up a pair, if not already got a pair. Just stop complaining, bro. These are fire. Always were, always will be. Nike Air on the back. Finally, that blue tab, and I do feel like the tabs on the back have a more vibrant tone than the color we see on the midsole. You could definitely see the difference right there. Way more saturation on the back tab than there is on the midsole. Same thing on the eyelets. We get that darker version of the military blue on the midsole, lighter version of it on the back tab and on the eyelets. It's blue behind here, but honestly you could barely notice it because it's this blue. Last one I had was the 2012 pair, and that one was way more vibrant. I could easily fall into that category of people that want that old thing back, you feel me? But I'm not complaining, because at the end of the day, at least we got something, bro. And it's not even bad. Like, I understand if it was just bad, but the shape is there, vibes are there. These are more comfortable than the old 4s. At least if they did it anything like the Breads or the SBs, realistically, we're all entitled to our feelings. I know we're in 2024, people are sensitive and shit. I get it, bruh. You do you. If you want to complain, just don't buy them. Easy, bruh. Like, for real. You shouldn't even be watching this video if you don't like these shits. These come with that Nike Air hang tag on the cheap plastic. They're not even using metal no more, but I understand these are supposed to represent the OGs. They just trying to save money, bro. Like, stop playing with me. I'm trying to see if I missed any details. Jumpman is in that military blue, almost like a darker tone. Same color we see throughout the shoe. Tongue is where you see the majority of the color difference. It's almost like a faded blue tongue. Looking at the back tab and the back of the tongue, you could definitely see the color difference. I'm just enjoying it for what it is. Let me know what y'all rate these in the comments. This is the final verdict. These are dropping in a few days from when I'm filming this video. My rating is a 9.5 out of 10. If the blue on the midsole of this shoe was the same blue as the back tab, they would have had gold with this pair. On the on foot, y'all can see what these are looking like. Hopefully with a little bit of sun. I'm just excited to put some miles in this pair because I'm actually in love with the military blues. It was always one of those iconic colorways, models, just sneakers that made me fall in love with the sneaker game. It's one of those for me. That's the reason I ended up with 2. First time I double up, promised myself it would be with a sneaker that's in this caliber, whether it's the military blue, white cement reimagined, Bread 4 reimagined, something like that. That pretty much does it for the Jordan 4 military blues. That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot. We're on our way to 30,000. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and help us get there. All that being said, check out one of these 2 videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. So make sure you check one of those 2 videos out, and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.